Hey, chicken friend. We're in a video, yo. You are famous now. You're with the Savage Squad. I'm doing this for the squad, y'all. Me and chicken friend. Come down here, bro. I swear it's easier to step in. That's quicksand. Told you it's easier down here.
Oh,
look at that.
God,
whoa.
dude.
Step back.
Oh my God, bro.
What are you stepping in?
I don't know.
What is that?
But my shoes are f***ing covered in it.
What did you just step in?
It's poop.
No, bro. There is no poop that is that color.
It smells like sewage.
I know, it smells horrible. This stuff's easy. Easy work.
Wait.
There's dogs.
I've never heard a dog bark like that.
Come on, there's no moisture in here.
We got all day tomorrow, bro.
Come on.
I'm ready to go lay down.
We're okay, come on. We gotta find the chickens.
I'm ready to go lay down, bro.
We gotta find these chickens.
The chickens are over there.
What?
And we'll see them tomorrow. You know I've been up for 36 hours straight, right?
Alright, make it 36.27. Do it for Savage Squad.
I just did a lot for Savage Squad.
I know you did a lot and we gotta finish it for the Savage Squad. YouTube will love you for this. That's my boy. Look at this guy's Savage Gal. You guys, smash the like button right now. It took so much persuasion and this guy wants to go to bed, but instead I am taking him on an adventure time right now. He's not happy.
My camera battery's about, or my light's about
Alright,
to die.
so we gotta make this
And my camera battery.
We gotta make this fast.
Oh. That was a 10-minute video, though.
Alright, well, show me the way to the chickens. I'll go to the chickens.
That way.
Alright, Savage Squad, we're running to the chickens.
Run.
Oh my god, this is gonna be such a short, quick video. Chickens, we're coming for you. Oh man, that's some fans. Chickens! Oh, that's not a chicken, that's something. I don't know what that is. I think it's a bird. Chickens! Chickens! There's no chickens in here. Chickens! It's chickenless. There's just birds in here, yo. But I don't hear any. I smell them, but I don't see them.
Then I start to taste them. I say, and then I start to smell them. So it's like a smell like tastes like other. So I knew something was wrong.
Like I said, it stinks in here. See? There's gotta be something in here. Chickens! Yo! Whoa! That's a chicken. Whoa! Chickens do fly, Savage Squad! Savage Squad, chickens fly. A chicken just scared the crap out of me. It was just perched on one of these things. And then it flew away once it saw me. It wanted nothing to do with me. That's part of an egg. See? There's chickens! No, don't go. Come back. The Savage Squad wants to have a conversation with you, dude. So, Sir Chicken, why are you here? You here against your will? Or do you want to be here? Ugh! I'm going to say that he does not want to be here, but he is forced to be here. What was that noise? He defecated and said something. Yeah, he ain't liking the Savage Squad right now, or he's talking back to us, letting us know what's going on. Do you like this chicken life? Chicken! Are you part of the Tyson brand? Alright. You keep doing your chicken thing. We're gonna go find more of your friends. There's a lot of eggs around here. Do you hear that, Savage Squad? It is making noises. Alright. Like I said, I have no idea if I'm supposed to be in here or not. But this is a chicken farm. And the Savage Squad's never done a chicken farm. We have an opportunity to chicken farm. So we're doing that thing. We're at a chicken farm. And there's chickens here. Y'all just saw that. Let's do that thing. Let's go. What is this? It's like a gutter of sorts. Maybe the eggs roll into that? I don't know. I have a feeling that I'm on the wrong side because there's nothing open over here. It's just like air vents. Maybe you can see what's inside. I don't know. You guys can't see, but what I see is astroturf inside. But there's definitely remnants of eggs being here. It's all over the place. Do the chickens throw their eggs if they don't like them? Why are they here in the middle? Surely people that live here don't throw their eggs. I can't imagine that. Are chickens hushable? Let's find out. Next chicken we see, we're gonna try to touch it. I've never touched chicken before. This is about to be fun. Oh! This looks walkable. Alright, chicken breath, where are you? I smell nuggets. I hear noises. I'm gonna guess that's chicken noises. Contacts, clues. Whoa, it's a mouse. Did y'all see that? Savage Squad. It just rolled right across that. That was too cool. Whoa. What is that on the wall? There's rats. Savage Squad, we're not alone. Meatwad is missing a cool video. The whole room is crawling over here. What is that? I don't know, Savage Squad. We're gonna find out though. Let's do that thing. Oh my god, it's a bunch of rats up there. See them? Oh, you can. Oh man, all the noises is rats in here. You hear that? That scrounging around is rats walking around the catwalks. Trying to eat the eggs in here, I guarantee it. There's toilet in here. Look at that. They went up the wall. Savage Squad, they went up the wall. Gargantuan sized rats. They're underneath me. I'm making more noises. I'm being louder so I can see that. Oh, no way. I hear noises everywhere. Oh no. Dang, I need my brother for this mission. I didn't see this coming in. Gotta be coyotes that come in here and get a free snack on some chicken legs. Look, there's another chicken. Right there. It's awake, its eyes are open. I'm petting it, Savage Squad. Savage Squad, I'm petting it. Dude, it feels like feathers. Soft feathers. He don't care. He knows I'm not trying to eat it. He knows it's not Thanksgiving. It's letting me pet it. I want to touch the red thing. I wonder what the red thing feels like. It's let me touch the red thing, Savage Squad. It feels like it's warm. He doesn't like it, I know that. What's these little things? Oh man, it feels, those things, they feel like, I don't even know. Hard worms. The best way to describe it. Savage Squad, I'm petting a chicken. Who does this? Hey chicken friend. We're in a video, yo. You are famous now. You're with the Savage Squad. That's right. Enjoy it. Enjoy the limelight. We love you. Don't become a meal. Live your life, dude. He's still letting me pet him. He's a nice chicken. Meatwad, you definitely need to be here. Let me pick it up. I was just walking with a chicken right now. Not for any purpose. Just walking. Never walked the chicken before. Hope it's okay. I'm doing it for the squad, y'all. Me and chicken friend. Alright, you guys. Live your life. Love yourself. And we'll see you on the next adventure. Bye.